The Commander series is a technologically advanced line of atmospherically vented, ultra-low NOx commercial water heaters from Bradford White. The Commander offers 82% thermal efficiency, a compact design and small footprint for easy installation. No dampers or pressure switches, both top and side water connections for convenience, and alternate T&P and drain valve locations. The Commander is part of Bradford White's Eco Magnum series of environmentally friendly commercial water heaters and complies with the most stringent ultra-low NOx emission standards. The brain of the Commander is Bradford White's integrated Icon HD commercial control system. The Icon HD control offers improved reliability and reduced downtime. It combines temperature control, diagnostic codes, system functions, and operational status into a single digital LCD interface. Access to burner, blower, and electronic components is easy with the removable shroud. For added convenience, the Commander features an option to duct the intake air through a wall or roof using PVC, CPVC, or ABS venting materials. Exhaust gases are vented atmospherically through a 6-inch Category 1 vent. The Commander series also features direct spark ignition and a highly efficient pre-mixed down-fired burner that automatically regulates for optimum combustion and efficiency up to 10,000 feet above sea level. The down-fired burner provides an evenly distributed flame pattern that optimizes heat transfer. The Commander utilizes a 2-pass heat exchanger system. Pass 1 is through an 8-inch main burner tube where the heat and exhaust gases are forced downward and enter a collector at the base of the water heater. Heat and exhaust gases are then redirected upwards and begin to vent atmospherically in the second pass. This second pass consists of 4 different 2-inch heat exchanger tubes. This distributes heat evenly and efficiently throughout the water heater tank and accounts for the 82% thermal efficiency rating. The Commander's overall shorter design and small footprint allow installation where existing venting and space restrict water heater height and width. Perfect for hotels, apartments, hospitals, restaurants, office buildings, and more. The Commander is the ultra-low NOx solution to nearly any new or replacement commercial application.